7 years ago, a nation carved its gratitude in stone. But the story of sacrifice began long before that. This is not just a memorial. This is India's heartbeat. Every name etched here is not just a soldier. He is someone's son, someone's husband, someone's father, and forever, our hero. From the icy heights of Kargil to the fearless stand of Captain Vikram Batra, who declared, "Ye dil mange mo," from the indomitable spirit of Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, who lived by, "If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill death," and from the silent sacrifice of Naik Jagannath Singh, who stood his ground against impossible odds. They did not fight because they hated what was in front of them. They fought because they loved what was behind them. The National War Memorial is not a monument of stone. It is a promise. A promise that India remembers. A promise that India stands united. A promise that their sacrifice will echo for generations. On its 7th anniversary, we bow our heads, we raise our flag, and we say, your valor is carved into India's soul. Your sacrifice is eternal. We will never forget. Jai Hind.